All right, hello everybody. Welcome to episode 3 of my Codecast, and today I will be making a simple clone of r slash place in Dino, a Reddit place. So, um, yeah, so I guess I should explain what r slash place is about. Um, Basically, r slash place was a subreddit where people could post updates to a gigantic canvas at the same time. So there was a lot of anarchy and stuff. Like, let's see here. This is Reddit Place. This is a time lapse over the course of a few days, I believe. It was an April Fool's prank, apparently, in 2017. Um, and all of these pixels were updated by users one at a time. And so people created teams to try to accomplish certain things. Like, for example, a group of people would be working on the American flag or the or that, yeah. So that's what r slash place is. So basically, all I need it to do is I need to have a client where you can update pixels onto a canvas that everybody shares. That's basically what I'm gonna do simply in Dino, because I thought it would be fun to make a simple full stack program completely in Dino. So, in the news, what am I drinking? I have a cold glass of iced Coke. That's what I'm drinking today. Tastes so good. Yummy. Okay, so the plan is to customize the development environment, create the front-end code, then create the back-end code, and then if we have time, I will deploy to Heroku. That is the plan. And I might need to refer to these resources sometime. So yeah, oh, I made some notes, yeah, okay. And then, next I need to, I think we should just get it rolling, get the ball rolling on this project. Hurry up, chop chop. So, let's just start this from scratch, customize the development environment. Well, first, let me make a GitHub repository real quick for it. GitHub.com/me. Okay, and then it's going to be me slash Reddit place clone. Reddit place clone. So let's clone what I have so far. I haven't written any code here yet. But yeah, here it is, and let's open this up. We can close. Well, I'll keep my notes open, but yeah, okay. So here's our fresh new project. This is what I've written so far. So, this is a clone of Reddit's r/place. Welcome to this episode of Codecast. This project is a Dino experiment. So, yeah. This is the thing that we have so far. I decided to leave this little blog post that was written about r/place on how they built it. It was a good read. It was very interesting. I'm not going to take the approach that they did whatsoever because it's extremely involved and robust and very impressive, and I'm not willing to do that right now. But it's pretty cool. It's a good read. So yeah. So first thing I wanted to do was create the development environment. So in Node, if you were to make a JavaScript application in Node, you would use npm Node's package manager. And that package manager also takes care of development scripts such as building, running a development server, building, like I just said, I mean serving. Yeah, serving, building, any like deploying. You can instantiate a whole bunch of different scripts to run. But in Dino, I think I'm going to have to create my own scripts manually in TypeScript, and I figured it would be fun and a good exercise. So yeah, first thing I will do is I need to figure out a way to create uh, a front-end project in Dino. I think it's possible using Dino Bundle. Um, Everything that I want to do, I believe can be done with pure Dino, which is why I wanted to do this today. So let's see here. What should I do first? Let's think about what I want. So to build, yes. Okay, maybe I should start with that. I'm going to make a folder called scripts, and yeah, no scripts. It'll be in the root. I'll make build.ts. This is going to be my build script. I'm also going to need to have dependencies.ts. I'm going to want to have serve.ts to serve the development server. And I'm going to want dev.ts to run the dev server. Good. All right, and then, right, serve, and then serve will do everything that I need it to do. Right, yeah, okay. Dev dependencies. So for dependencies, maybe I'll get to that later, but for build, I'm going to want to, I will make a new file called client slash main or mod.ts. Mod.ts, yeah, I think that's a good idea. And this will be printed in the browser, so I'm going to say hello browser from Dino. Oh yeah, and I should also go ahead and do a .vs code settings.json. I'm gonna want to do dino.enable is true. Oops, true. Dino.enable is true. Dino dot no editor dot default formatter is going to be VS Code Dino, and editor dot format on save is true. That's what I want. So there's that, which means that now, like if I remove the semicolon and I save, it saves. I mean, it fixed it. It formatted for me. Okay. So then let's say in here I want to bundle my code. So how do I execute things in Dino? Dino execute shell command. How do I do that? Run arbitrary shell commands in Dino. I know that Dino has the yeah. Dino.run. Yes. I'm looking up on Google on the other monitor. Dino run. Dino run. Whatever. I'll just Google that. So manual. Here we go. search. How about run? What the heck? Well, where is, let's just go here, Dino. Let's do dino.run in this repository. Here we go. Here's the doc. Here's the docs for dino.run. Found it. Okay. So, okay, here we go. So we have our options. Interesting. Okay. So spawns a new subprocess. Okay. Dino.run. Okay. So, and then let's look up what the, oops, let's see here. The bundle. Yeah, how do you bundle? This is the bundler. Open. So you bundle by doing Dino bundle and then the TypeScript code and the output code. Okay. So I'll just do dino.run, oops, .run command, and this is going to be like const process is equal to that, and then the command is going to be Dino bundle the source thing, which was client slash mod.ts, and the output is going to be assets. Maybe I should make a folder called assets and keep that in the git ignore. Like, here's my git ignore right now. I need to get rid of VS Code, and I need to get rid of, maybe I should call it dist as a distribution code or production code. I'll just call it assets. Okay. So it's going to be an asset slash bundle.mod or mod.bundle.js. Right? That looks good. Is that correct? Dino.run. What is this? Time lapse. Oh yeah. Okay. That should do it. Okay, Dino run that. All right, and then I can import the module like this. So in my server code, when I go over here, it should be like that. Mod.bundle.js, right? Is what I decided on. Oops, build. Yeah, mod.bundle.js. Okay, perfect. So when we build, first we're going to do that, right? So let's say that, so like let's say const main or const export, no, const build is equal to a function where we do this. This is how I'm going to make my scripts, I guess. And then I can export default that build command. Oops, what the heck was that? Build. And then if import dot how do you figure out in Dino if you're running the script or not? Dino import main whatever. How do you do that? Module metadata. Yeah. So it's going to be import.meta.main, right? If it is that, then we will actually, the heck, what is wrong with this? Yeah, build. Then I will actually run that. All right. So this way what does this return exactly? Does anyone know what Dino run? For some reason, my IntelliSense is not working. I wonder why. Extensions. Where's Dino? It's enabled. It's enabled. Yeah, I want my IntelliSense. Maybe. Maybe that's what I need to add to it to get the IntelliSense to work. Okay, anyways. So this is what I want to do. So in my build, I want to do that. And then in here, I want to serve. So I think I should do the same thing as I did in build, but with serve. So it's going to be serve like that. And in here, I'm just going to do start serving the application, right? And then in dev, I'm just going to want to run build and then run serve. But the problem is I want to do async and wait for the process to finish first for build. How do I do that? A process, yeah, okay. Okay. So where was the Dino run? Right here, yeah. No? Yeah. Yes. Dino run. It returns a process. So Dino process dot status, right? Output. So buffer that the standard out resolves the current status. Okay. Interesting. So I guess I will do this dot status, right? I will do const process equals that, and then I will return await process dot what the heck process dot status like that. My IntelliSense isn't popping up, so I think I'll reload my what's it called? My VS Code real quick. Maybe that will do something. Here. Boop boop boop. Now let's see if it'll pop up. Now that I've reloaded. I'll take a drink. Oh, interesting. I forgot to start my timer. That's okay. Boop. Starting. Okay. Okay. So now that I have this process going, I can use it in my dev script. Same thing with serve. So like with dev, let's just do the same thing again. Oh, my printer's going. That's okay. Ignore that. My silly printer. dev, the dev server. Dev, dev. Okay. So my dev server is going to just be, I want to await, well, const status is equal to await build, like that. Build.ts got imported, perfect. And then after that, I want to console.log the status of the build, and then I want to await the no await. I just want to serve, like that. Perfect. So okay, interesting. So next thing to do would be to, okay, so I have all this going. Next thing to do would be to test this stuff out. So I'm going to want to run the build script. Let's see what I have to do. Dino run build.ts. Let's see what we need. I need the allow run flag. Dino run allow run. Cannot find the path, probably because I need the assets folder to be there, right? It's okay. Okay. So it created that. All right. So build worked, and then technically, client, yeah, that's my client code. So next, I just need to. So here's my development script. Build, and then so next I just need to serve the data. So how do I go about serving the data? I need to create a server in Dino. So I guess I'll just do in my dependencies, I'll just export the serve function that they have in Dino in the standard library. And I will just here I'll do import serve as what should I rename it currently? Server. Okay, I'll just call it create server, because that's kind of what it does. So from it's going to be dependencies.ts, right? So next it's going to be const server is equal to create server with oh yeah, and then I'll put my port is equal to, let's do like 8080 or whatever. Port goes in here like that. I like that better. Okay, server like that, and then I will say console.log open HTTP local host at my port that I described up top. There we go. That's nice. Okay. And so now when I serve the application, I will do for await, and I will do const request of the server. And for every request, I want to respond with a status of 200 so that it's okay. The body is going to be hello world. Soon I will change that into a good template. I'll make it a thing up here. I'll say const HTML or no, const app is equal to, no, what should I call the template? Const template is equal to, and I can have some arguments in there, such as my canvas data, and I can do my HTML right there. I'll do this in a minute though, actually. I'll do that later. So blah blah blah, that should work. So now if I do dev, it should do what I want it to do. Right? Dino run dev.ts. Oh, that's why. It's because can't use await right there. So this has to be an async as well, which means that I have to, in my dev dependency thingy, I have to do await serve as well. Like that. I need the allow run flag for dev. Allow run. Well, can I do dino.bundle inside of Dino itself? Like as an API? Like dino.bundle instead? Shoot. Dang it. What the heck? There we go. Okay. Dino.process. No. Inside of here, can I bundle? I wonder if I can bundle. I can run. Compile. Oh, this is WebAssembly. Okay. Oh yeah, there's this project that I was looking at a little bit ago. I wonder how much progress they've made recently. Let's see. 17 hours ago. We got 5 contributors now on this. Project is still experimental. Okay. Well, this project is called Lunatic. I was looking at it, and it seemed interesting. Basically, they're making a child process program thing, so that you can spawn a whole bunch of processes and do some really cool things. And each process is a WebAssembly instance. I thought that was a cool project that they're working on, and I've been keeping an eye on it. That's nice. One tag. That means that there's a release. Wow. They have one release for brave adopters in October. Cool. Okay. Anyways, let's see if this works. Denied. Oh yeah, I need to allow net as well. Allow net. Oopsies. I forgot to put a space there. Okay, that's good to know. So in build, I can just say const success is equal to await process dot status, and then I can return success like that, like oops, like this. Async, and it's going to be promise of a boolean so that we know if the build process worked or not. All right, that's what it is. And this is a void promise. Okay. So now when I open localhost 8080, it says hello world, like that. Okay. So now I should probably do the template now. So let's just make index.html just so I could grab this code, delete that. Okay, I just used that real quick for the code. So here we go. This is going to be the Reddit place clone. And in the body, I'm going to have an image with the source, and the source is going to be the canvas data. And canvas data is going to be a string. I'm assuming that I can export my canvas data as a URI. So that's what I'll be doing. And then here's my script tag that I wanted to use. Oh, wait, interesting. Okay, and then, oh, okay. And then I can just do this script type module, no source. I'm just gonna put in my script or my bundle. So bundle like that. Bundle will also be a string. Okay. So now there's that, and then I can do let's just do const bundle is equal to dino dot or oh wait dino dot dino dot build. Wait, is dino dot build what I can use to make whatever? I'll look at that later. Wait, should I try this? Dino dot build. Oh, it's not it's just it tells me info. Okay, never mind. Dino dot read file, read text file. It's going to be a promise that returns a string. So yeah, my path that I want is in assets slash mod dot bundle dot js, like that. And now I can do in the body. I can do template, and bundle will go in there, and canvas data will be a string like that. Okay, that works for now. All right. So it's been 15 minutes. I will pause my video now and take a break for a second, and then we will continue with creating the canvas data and also making it hot reloading using dnon. Actually, first we will do dnon hot module reloading, which will be like, okay, wait, where is the thing that I want to use? Yeah, this one, dnon. This is what I want to use. Okay. All right, so I'll get that wired up in a second. Okay, so here we go. I'm back. All right. Yeah, let me resume that. Okay. Here we go. So to install dnon, let's do this. Copy. Go into here. CLS. Let's install dnon. And we can dnon run everything. So in my README, I'll write, here's my about, my reference. Now let's go make a new development section to run to spin up the development server, install dno, which is going to be dno install dnon, and run the following command. And the command was dnon run allow net allow run allow read probably, and dev.ts. Okay. And here are, okay, so I was going to add these links. Dno install is going to be something, and then dnon install is going to be that. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to want to go to the install section. Does that work? Yeah, that works. So that link does what I want it to do, and then, oops, dno install. I knew that existed. Okay. Install the latest version. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Dno install goes here, boop, boop. And then, now when I run this, let's see what it does actually. So status is true, open this. Oops. Okay, Reddit place. And now let's see here. Console. Hello, browser from Dno. Wow, okay. View the page source. So this is what was retrieved. This is exactly what I told it to do. Interesting. Okay. Application. Clear my site data. Clear site data. What the heck? Okay. So, the heck? Why is it like this? Okay. So, There's an image in here somewhere. Anyways, build dependencies, serve, blah blah blah. Here's the bundle. I'll put that at like the top, like up here. Okay. It said only one usage of each socket is normally permitted. App crash. How did the app crash? And how is the address in you? I don't think it is. Okay, I'll just do this. CLS. Run it one more time. Okay, it worked. Status is true. I don't need the status anymore. That part is not necessary. That's in dev. No need for the status. I'll just do if status, which means if it's true. Then, yeah, looks good to me. Interesting. So I can only. Dang, why does it do that? So Denon doesn't let me use the same address again when it reloads. Why doesn't. That's annoying. My goodness. Well, I guess I don't have to use Denon. I can just. Let's go back to the README. Go back to Deno. That will be good enough. Denon. Yeah, no need for Denon. Okay. Alright. Spin up the development server. No need for Denon. See this? We could do it like that and reload it every time. We can. My dog just barked. Okay. That will work every time, and I will close it and open it and reload it manually. Sounds good. No big deal. That works. Okay. So, alright. So, I think I should take another break real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. What was I up to? Okay, so I resumed that. Now it's open here, blah, blah, blah. Right, okay. Now I guess I should implement the canvas that everybody sees. So, let's go to the README again, and this, yes. So there is this project that I saw right here, Deno Canvas. Looks good to me. Data URL, right? To buffer. What is this? Right? Did that do anything? What am I doing? Okay. Make canvas. Interesting. Get context 2D. Okay. So let's grab that, put it in our dependencies. This is going to be an export. I don't think I need data URL to file, just need this. It's going to be default as canvas, like that. That will work. Okay. Sounds good. Looks good. So now when we go to serve, I can also import canvas and canvas rendering context. Like that. Okay. So now, well, in serve, I didn't really need all of this stuff. We could do it out here, technically. I like this part though. I think that should be in here because it's kind of like part of thing. Okay, but if I go this const cnv is equal to canvas dot make canvas. What was it? Canvas, make canvas. Like right here. 200 by 200 I could do. 200 by 200. Let's see what else they do. And then the context looks like this. Like, let's just get this going to get this, to see if I can get this to work, period. CMD, and then that, I think that will do the trick. And if I do canvas.toBuffer, canvas data, canvas or cnv, oops, cnv dot to buffer, like that. Yes. See if that does what I need it to do. Isolated. So I need to export type. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and then whatever error this is, property to buffer does not exist on simulated canvas. It looks like it works. Should work to me. Allow net, allow read. Oh. Allow write. We'll download the WASM binary locally. Dino, how? What am I supposed to do to get rid of the cache? Right? Dino cache help. I don't know what to do. Dino cache reload dev.ts. Allow read. Allow. Why did they add this part after? Like, copy this. Like, what should I do? Like, let's see this. Oops. Actually, let's do the whole thing. Dino run. Copy. Okay, web server is running. So this is the test, and that's what they made. Okay. Let's see how they did that. Ay. Okay. This looks. Oh, body is the buffer. Okay. Okay. Maybe I should start doing this so that I could see it easier. body is equal to this template. Body. Okay. Okay. And now const body is equal to cnv.to buffer like that. Okay. Terminal. No need for allow write. Let's see what this does. Okay. Well, up here I need to do import type canvas rendering context 2D from depths.ts like that. Okay. Quick fix. Interesting. Emulated canvas. It makes an emulated canvas? What do I have? Dependencies. I'm confused. Well, I should export type from there. Okay, maybe that will do something. Up here it says 0.7. So I don't know. Let's see what they say over here in my serve area. Let's see. Where's my error? Yeah, okay. So CNV, let's see what they say I have. Decode image. Okay, decodes an image to data URL. Perfect. That's literally what I wanted. Okay. So cnv.to data URL. And then it will go there, there, there. Boop boop, bada bop boom, pow. Right? Okay, let's run this. Hopefully this works. So system could not find the file. Right. Uncaught. The system cannot find this file. I need to remove my cache now because I need to fix that. How do you do this? Okay. Dependencies. Okay, let's go there. No. But here I am. How? Okay. Where am I? I want to open this in okay, I guess I have to do this. User, so the PC, my disk, users, me, app data, local, then Dino, then dependencies, then HTTPS, then Dino.land, and then 8. It needs to be number 8C439. 8 8C43 8C I almost see it. 8C4 okay, deleting those. And now do it with allow write. Allow write. That's so annoying. The system cannot find the file specified. I'm confused. Is it because of... I have an idea. Let's run this, but my dependency, let's do whatever they had, 0.7, 8.0. Version 0.78.0, like that. Okay, now when I do allow write, maybe this will do what I need to do. What the canvas rendering context 2D? I guess this should stay at 1.0. What? Oh, I understand. Oh, shoot. Okay. And then master, and then this is mod.tf. And then that's it. Oh, okay. Um, export default canvas. Okay. Interesting. This is interesting. 1.0. Okay. I wonder why this doesn't work. That's really lame. So, uncaught, not found. The system cannot find the file specified in the runtime.js. Like, fudge. So it provides a default export exposing the Canvas Kit API and other export from the file types, R types, and util function. And run with denote run allow net allow read. As mentioned before, allow write for the first time will download the WASM binary locally. For using images, use load image method exported by mod.ts. Okay. I'm confused because here's the square canvas.to buffer right? Mod, because here lib.js, right? Like probably this canvas kit.wasm. Like it can't. And then it tries to do it from here, I guess. Master slash canvas kit.wasm. Okay, I guess it's right there. So it just tries to dino.write file sync. Okay, interesting. So the system cannot find the file specified on line 2. What's on line 2? There is no line 2. Okay, well, line 2 is just this in lib.js. It says right here. Open that. Oh, okay, I see what they need to do. It's behind. This code is better. Well, it doesn't look better. Also, I don't understand why they're not using Dino format. Like, I don't get it. But yeah, they need to update this. This was updated 8 days ago. I need to tell them to. 15 turning 16. A Pokemon RPG in Discord. This guy looks cool. His name is, I don't know what his name is, but he's 15. Ask me about anything related to code and Pokemon. That's interesting. Game development. Wow, excellent. What is Nekos.life? I'm curious. Oh, and he made Harmony. And he's 15. Nice job. Very nice job. He's a pro. What the heck is that? DJ. Yours. Let's code. Interesting. Cool. He has a YouTube channel. Discord. JavaScript tutorial. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Alright. Well, maybe I should ping him on Discord to get, yeah, I think I should ping him on Discord to tell him to, update to next version. Uh-huh. Add friend. Enter the name. Send a friend request. Because you can only, I can only text friends. So I have to, yeah. Okay, anyways, that's enough of that. I need to tell him to push his code though. But my Wasm kit did not download. I don't know what to do. Okay. Do you know how to clear cache? Hmm. Because this is still open. How does this work? Here, Dino cache delete. Is this what? It's logical for this functionality to be an additional argument. Like as example, it would look like that. Okay, let's reload. Yeah, let's just reload the cache for. Okay, okay, let's reload the cache for the canvas. I wish I could delete it. Like reload, and then I'll do like allow read or whatever. Allow write. It's not gonna do it. Oh my god. Why did they write it like that? I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed that they did that. Okay, so here's this bot. Get started with your own Pokemon adventure. This is the bot that the DJ guy created. Also, I have no idea how his discriminator is 7777. This is interesting. Oh, this is nice. Wow. How did he do this? The heck? That's a pretty interesting bot. That's really good. Maybe I should start on GitHub. Do they have the GitHub link here? No, he does not have the GitHub link here. Where was it? GitHub. Okay, one. No. What was his name? No. Okay, but like, how do you clear the cache for Dino? I passed a reload, but it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Dang it, I'm not gonna get around to anything because of this silly bug that I'm having with Dino. Why did they do that to me? But that person I want to message that person. What was their name again? I've lost it. It's in my history. Neopet. That guy. DJ. San Francisco. Pro. Interesting. Oh yeah, what is Nico's life? Oh my goodness. What is this? I'm curious. What is this? Like, that was not anything. I'm confused. Lewd? Wait, what? 15? What the? Get out of here. No. Shoot. What the heck? Okay, Harmony. One issue. Suggestion node canvas like interface. I don't care about that. His name is DJ, right? What's his Discord again? DJ developer? Why can't I talk to him? I'm mad. Okay, I want to tell him to update his code. And I know to him because he said so, okay? That is so annoying. Maybe I should just delete the cache. This PC, Dino. No. This PC, users, Ethan, Dino, right? App data, local, Dino, dependencies, HTTPS, unpackage, no, Dino.land. Okay, I'm just gonna delete all of my Dino.land thingy. Goodbye. I just deleted it all. Okay, I just deleted the whole thing so that now I'm gonna have the allow right now. Please tell me that this is gonna do what I want it to do because I just deleted it. Ah, fudge. What the heck? What the heck is wrong with this thing? Okay. I'm just gonna take a break until I figure this out. Alright, that's what I'll do. See ya. Okay, so he updated it. Here's his newest version. And now let's run the program. Okay. It does not export that type, I guess. Which means that I probably should just in my serve, that means that this is bad. And that means that I need to comment that out. Everything should be fine. Canvas at version 1.05. The heck? Get out of here. What the heck semantics is this? Interesting. V dot 1 dot. I guess that's what's going on. V dot 1 dot is what he has. Okay, so that worked. And it downloaded canvaskit.wasm. Interesting. Okay. I guess it just downloaded it locally for me. That's interesting. So, okay. There's my square. Cool. Alright. Awesome. Okay. Now, let's go over here and we can have this on the side with this, our preview, if you will. Okay. So serve, we're gonna okay, let's do that. Put this back here because I think that works now. And then now I can work on this browser code. So this browser code is going to be, oh yeah, did it do what I wanted it to do? Yeah, it did say it. Okay. So what I want to do is take that image. So const image is equal to document dot query selector image. So there's that. Well, I guess I'll just do like export default, or no, I'll just do like const main is equal to that, and then I can export default main like doing main. That's kind of sick. That'll do it, right? How does one change the lib compiler option? Maybe like a tsconfig dot dot JSON. Okay. All right. So there's that image, and then image dot add event listener on click event. lib compiler option. That's what I thought I had. I guess that doesn't work. Hold on. Dino ts config. How do you? Oh wait, I shouldn't have deleted that. Can I undo that? Okay. I'm gonna put it in the client. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to go to build bundle with a -c with a client slash ts config.json like that. And then yeah, okay. That makes more sense to me. Okay. I did change the compiler option, but whatever. Okay, console.log the event when I click on it. That's all I want it to do right now. So let's run the development server again. Oopsies, CLI. Like, that's pretty much all I need, right? Just to run that. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, no more of that then. Just forget about it. I just wanted to see if I could get that stuff fixed, but whatever. It's fine, I don't need it. Event is an implicit, okay. Yeah, error, cannot find name document. How do you do this? I don't know how to do this in Dino, I've never done it before. It's just a TypeScript compiler problem, but I want to get this working in Dino. Yeah, like it's important to have the bundle working for Dino. This is closed, okay. I found a good issue, I think. Okay. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna take a break to use the restroom really quick. Okay, I think I figured out what my problem was. I got everything figured out for. Well, let's see what I changed. I added this tsconfig, and I also added into here. I added this config flag right here. That's all I did. Oh yeah, and now when I click, I have my mouse event pop up. So offset X, offset Y. So down here should be like close to 200. 200, 200 for the offset Y, offset, yeah. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, so it should be offset. Okay. So that's what pixel. I'm on, right? So const offset x offset y is equal to event. And then I should also now I need to reload the page, but post my the change that was created. So how do I change the URL? Browser, no, JavaScript, change URL, window.location. This is how you can redirect, I guess. Replaces the location of the current window with the new one. Assign. What's the difference between align? I mean, what's the difference between assign and replace? I don't get it. Guess that's all you need to do is well, window, well, it's just gonna be like location dot, what is it? The host. That's what I'm trying to find. Console. Oops. Location dot host. Okay. Yeah. So location dot href is equal to location dot host question mark x equals offset x and y equals offset y and c is equal to the color, so const color is equal to 000 for now. Color like that. Okay. That looks good to me. Well, const URL is equal to new URL query param. Right? Isn't that something? Query string MDM. Like that, maybe. Of the location host, and then okay. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Okay, that's good. Actually, param, I'll do that. Params go there. So it should just be location dot host plus params params dot what should it be? Append? Yeah. And x to offset x params dot append y to offset y and params dot append c offset no color like that. Okay, everything is perfect. What is this? Okay, okay, everything looks good to me. And now dev. Let's go to serve. Now let's get this request. So console.log the request. Let's see if I can get some query param from out of it. Argument number cannot be a string. Okay. Right here I have to do dot to string dot to string. Okay, and then I click on it. Wait a minute. Console. Okay. Const locate. Well, I want to go to the new location. How do I go to same URL query params reload with new query string. Yeah, that looks correct to me. Okay, so it should be const URL is equal to location dot origin plus location dot path name just in case plus params, and then I'll do console.log URL and then location.href is equal to the URL. Okay, so and now let's reload. Okay, now I click on it. Wait, what is that saying? Okay, well, what the heck? Well, I have to use the restroom. 1 second. Hold on. Let me pause for now. Alright, I'm back. I sort of started coding and I forgot to turn on to unpause the video from recording, so I'm back and I've made some updates since then. So right now, I can make a new query parameter at the top. So you go to, okay, so okay, yeah, I forgot about that part. That is not correct. Okay. hold on a sec. Okay, that worked. So now, every time I click on the board, I swear every time I click on the board, like if I click at the very top left, it should be close to 0, 0. So x was equal to 15, y was equal to 13, and then I go to this end, and it should be closer to 200, right? 189, 187. So anywhere I click on this, it will send a request to the server of my x position that I'm choosing and my y position that I'm choosing, and a color value that I can put on the side or something, or below, which would be in here. So I would, where am I? Okay, build, no. Okay, in here, I would have the image, and then I would have input type equals color. Okay, I guess that works. So when I go here, I have to say that's what I want to do with the image, and then const input equals document dot query selector input if input is not equal to null, then input dot add event listener change event, and then current color value is equal to event dot target dot value. Color. I'll rename it to color. Okay. In the main, I want to do let color equals this is 0 or black. Yep, looks good to me. Console.log event serve. When I serve, it logs the request URL, right? Okay. Request.url. Interesting. I don't want a favicon. I don't know why the favicon is doing that. Like, there's no favicon on here. Application clear reload, right? Nada. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Right, so this is how this works. No big deal. No big deal. So now, okay, here's what I'm working on now. I'm parsing this. And for some reason in Dino, there's no search param or search parameter thing parser. So I'm just gonna parse the search params in a function that I'm calling parse placement request. And I called, every time you click on something, I called it a placement request. It has an X position, a Y position, and what color you're changing that pixel to. So const search placement request. So yeah, so this is just going to parse it into this format. Um, I'm just gonna make it a one-liner because I like to challenge myself with this type of stuff. Okay. So place, and then so first I made a regex, a regular expression that takes the front off and the back off, so that all you have to do is split right there, split the ampersand. So now this I need to map, or well, yeah, map. This is going to be a what is this called? Like, what would this be called? I don't really know. Entry? I'll call it an entry. Um, is going to be entry dot split between the equal sign. Well, I could just do reduce entry. So when I do reduce, is the accumulator first or second? I think the accumulator is first. So result entry, and this is going to be, yeah, okay. And then after that, the starting thingy is the default placement values. Okay, so const key value is equal to entry dot split equal sign. So that would take, so like in this example, high equals AB. Key would become high and value would become AB. So if key, or well, if I don't know. Okay, how about if X, Y, or C dot includes, well, I'll just do it separately, like if key is equal to X, then result dot X is equal to number value, else if key is equal to Y. I should do a switch case, but there's no point. Result dot Y is equal to number value again, and then else if key is equal to C, oopsies, then result dot color is equal to string, well, it's going to be a string anyways. And then at the end, I need to return the result. So that should do what I want it to do. Should parse my placement request. So const placement is equal to parse placement request.url. I wonder what's gonna happen when it's favicon.ico. Why is that being queried? I don't understand. We'll find out, I guess. Const placement. Oh yeah, I guess all it would do is that makes sense. That's fine. Okay. So it's gonna be a placement request. So ctx dot fill rect ctx dot fill style is equal to placement dot color. ctx dot fill rect placement dot x placement dot y 0 0 no 1 1 1 fill rect let's see fill rect mdn. Okay, width height, yeah, perfect. That pixel at that width and height, yeah, that's what I want. Boop boop, yep, leave the regex. Yep, looking good, looking good. Okay. Okay. Boop 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 boop. So object is possibly null. Okay. So mod right here. If event dot target dot wait dot target dot value, like that. Maybe this will do what I want it to do. Like it could turn it undefined. Value does not exist on type event target. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, I'll just console log the event for now. Serve needs to be updated. CLS. Boop, boop, boop. Reload. Console. Change it to green. Event. Event dot target dot value. Yeah, event dot target dot value is correct. If event is not, or event dot target is not equal to null, and event dot target dot value is not equal to null as any as any and as any. Yeah, that probably will do the trick, right? Oh, oops, yeah, I have to refresh the page. I mean, spin up the development server again. Okay, so now when I pick a green color, oh, it probably worked. What's color? No, color. Oh, my color is not, it's in the main function, so it's not a global variable. I see. Okay. So what to do now? How do I do this? Oh yeah, now when I click on something, that's my color. Oh my god, wait, it's working. It's working. It's working. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. It's working. Yay, okay. Cool. Okay, one thing that I should do is make it so that um when I okay. Color is, I need my color to be equal to my query string. That would be helpful. Let color equal new URL search param location dot href dot get c. Oh, that was sick. I got that on my first try. Yeah, it's either that or that. Cool. So now when I change it to green, change it to green. Okay, so now it's black again, huh? How did that happen? What the heck? Okay, localhost 8080. There we go. I don't really understand how this, yeah, I don't really know why this, favicon is still there. It's not on this, so yeah, I don't know. Okay, so before I do this, maybe I should do console.log the value of the color, right? Or maybe I should actually go here and say console.log my placement. I want to know what I got. Okay, let's do that. And then reload this. Okay, and then green, why not, right? So now I'm decoding the URI component so that when I retrieve it right here, it's actually going to be decode URI component. I'm actually gonna reload my thing here. Oops, decode URI component here as well. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reload my VS Code because there's no like IntelliSense. Weird. I haven't committed the whole time, but that's okay. Who cares? Now let's go to my README so I can find the script that I need. Bada bop boom pow. Build. No, sir. Ooh, right here, object is possibly null. That's true. Yeah, that makes sense. I'll just add it in right here. I know what to do. Right here. Makes sense. Perfect. Try it again. Perfect. Oops. What is this? Where am I? Oh my god. I feel like a little baby. Okay, let's just do this. Inspect. I'm just trying to pull up the console. Let's pick a green. Oops. Green. Click. Oh my god, that's definitely a green. Click, click, click. It works. Okay, that's pretty much it. Canvas. Um, okay, one thing that I wanted to do is at the beginning I wanted to fill it black, completely black. Const width is gonna be, let's go for 400. Const height is gonna be equal to 400. Let's list all of my consts at the beginning, like so, because I like to do that sometimes. In cases like this where I have a whole bunch of constants at the top of my file. And then my canvas is going to be my width and height. Fill style black. Start at 0, 0, width, height. Go the width and the height. Now when we, and I don't need to do console logs anymore, including in here. Don't need that. No logs needed anywhere. Anywhere. Okay, CLS. Boop, boop, go. And then, okay, what's your favorite color, huh? What's your favorite color? I'm gonna guess blue. Most likely your favorite color is blue for some reason. I feel like it. Okay. Interesting, that event still popped up. How? Console. Oh, there it is. I'm blind. Jeez. Hold on. Cannot let that happen. Silly me. Okay. It's open. Alright. So let's open that blue color again. That's a cool one. Boop, boop, boop. Let's do a brighter one. Okay, I have an idea. How about instead of a small rectangle, like not a rectangle, like a pixel each, maybe to make it more fun, I can do bigger rectangles. So I guess okay, right. So that would be in here. Fill rect, fill style. Okay, placement dot x. So I have an idea. I can make a function called const get draw get draw um, instructions equals the what's it called, by the placement, yeah, placement request. I'm gonna get the x and the y from that, and make draw instructions. Draw instructions are going to be a number, a number, a number, and a number, like that. 4 numbers in a row. Const width is going to be, well, the size of 1 pixel is going to be 16, I guess. Let's go for 16. So const half size is going to be size divided by, or times 0.5. Okay. So then I can put a what else can I put? Okay, so if I want that to be the size, then that means that the x and y positions, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that's okay. So now I can return my values. I want my x minus half of the size. I want y minus half of the size. And I want the size and the size. Correct. Yes, perfect. That's what I need. And so now I can do, this is what I can do. Now when I go over to fill rect, I can do get draw instructions of the placement and spread them out. Cool, right? So I can spread those out and do that. In the get draw instructions, I can do that, and then I can have the size become a variable. So it's going to be a number that is equal to 16 by default. So let's see what now. So boop, boop, boop. And let's refresh it and see how big the dots look now. Oh, do a green one. That's so cool. I love that so much. Okay. Okay. So that's pretty much all I wanted to do. Well, let's take a look at the plan again. All right. Okay. Okay. Don't get too ahead of myself. Okay. Okay, front end, back end. We didn't really do this in any particular order, but I guess they're pretty much all done. We had to do them at the same time, obviously. I couldn't just split those up into two sections. So deploy to Heroku now. How should we go about doing this? I guess let's take a look at this article first, the Heroku Dino build pack getting started section. Okay, well, let me look on my other browser window where, what am I thinking? Getting started, build pack, yeah. I'm gonna look at my Heroku account on the other side so that you cannot see. Okay, log in, blah, 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 logging in. Am I allowed to make another app or no? Create new app. App name, Reddit place clone. I am eating sunflower seeds as a snack. Hopefully the crunching is not too loud. Connect to GitHub. The repository name is Reddit place clone. Search. Connect. Wait for CI to pass before deploy. Deploy the branch whenever I want. Okay, I have it ready to deploy. But let me change my settings to add a build pack. So, Dino build pack. Copy. Paste. Save. Cool. Okay. It's ready to go. I have some updates that I want to make to it though. I want to make something simple, like where is my text? Right here? Yeah. I can have a paragraph. I mean, an unordered list and some list elements. I can have my previous submissions or my latest ones. So I'll say submissions here, and I'll do interface. Right. Placement request also contains a message, which is a string. Okay. So else if key is equal to message result dot message equal to value, which is a string. And this is this message is going to be no message. Right, it's pronounced MSG, yes, of course. So there's that. So now when I go here, or I mean, yeah, color, input type equals text. So now when I go to here, I have to call this color input instead of input everywhere, like so. Now I need to do const message input is equal to document dot query selector input type equals text, and then this one is supposed to be type equals color. Yeah. If the message input is not equal to null, then message input dot add event listener change event message is equal to event, well, same thing as this. But instead of color, it is message, which is up here. Let message equal undefined param dot append message, right? CLS. Unexpected token where where well, message is either string or undefined. Well, I guess message, like if I do that, that technically works. Okay, how about now? Wait, what? Serve on line 18. Oh, right here. Submissions, placement requests like that. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. UL. Okay. It's going to be submissions.map .join color. I want the color and I want the message. That's all I need. Timestamp is going to be -1 by default, I guess. And then timestamp is going to be a number, and timestamp by default is going to be, oh yeah, and then I'm going to want to make a global variable out here called submission. It's going to be an array of placement requests. So yeah, well, it's going to be submissions dot push, no, dot shift, no, unshift, yeah, unshift it is, placement, like that. And then if submissions dot length is greater than submission, or well, is greater than 20, I'll just put it there, 20, no, 100, then submissions dot pop, so that, yeah, take the latest one off. Yeah, and then down there, I'll put submissions like that. Cool. Perfect. Color message, right? So now we are going to have two things. What are we going to have? List element. We're probably just going to have a how about a gradient? No, that's too confusing. Oh, I know what to do. I will put the border as the color of the text. So we'll have P and then style equals border 1 px solid color. I know that this can be used to mess with the styling, but honestly, that's not a vulnerability because it's not going to access anything crucial. It will only affect what they see, I guess. And that is kind of a bad vulnerability because if I mess with the styling, or if people can get into the styling, they can import CSS or they could use URLs in CSS and load content that people don't want to see. That's true. How do I fix this? Hmm. Who cares? Okay, we'll just leave it. And then the message will go there. And this is a key. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. I'll do 5 pixels solid. Okay. Interesting. What will happen now? Does it run? Value does not exist on type element. So let's go to mod 19. Line 19's right here. Color input. Well, I'll just do any like that, right? Will that do the trick? Okay, this is on line 20, right here. If I just call this any, I can just do, if I just call that any, can't I just do color equals event dot target dot value like that? I guess that works. And so I should also do that, and then that. That makes sense to me. Okay, good. I'm glad I was able to figure that out. Okay. Bundling, going, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Interesting. So now when I put them down, they're all of them are like that? I'm confused. Also, I should only, okay, so in the server I should do valid, or what is valid is, well, I'll just do this. Okay, boolean, right? Okay is false. TS date dot now. Well, actually, it should be new date dot to string, I guess. No, date dot now. Yeah. Okay. And so method return result. And then dot. So now it's that, but now it's And then at the bottom I'll say if result dot message is not equal to undefined, well, and result dot color is not equal to undefined, and result dot x is not equal to undefined, and result dot y is not equal to undefined, then result dot k is equal to true, result dot ts is equal to date dot now, and then if placement dot okay. Okay, I just realized I haven't talked in a while. So yeah, I was zoned out. Okay, interesting. I have 2 submissions. I don't know why I have 2 submissions. Oh yeah. How do I have 4 submissions? Let's make it white and make a message. Hello world. What the heck? Okay. Um, I forgot. We have to encode and decode. No, I just have to encode it here. Decode it, I mean. So, unshift. No. Up here. Yeah, I need to decode URI component again. The message. I'm just confused about why the submission variable changes like this. unshift inserts a new element at the start of the array. Oh, I understand. Is it because I should be doing... I should probably do this. So, whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. So 2 submissions went through. I don't really understand how 2 submissions went through. Okay. How are these submissions getting through, being listed as okay? I'm saying, oh, I understand now. It should be is not equal to, oh my god, why did I do this to myself? Oopsies. This. Oh god. Oh, interesting. Dot message dot color dot x dot y. There we go. So no submission. So now white wait. Interesting. It hmm. It's not working. Yeah, I'm trying to say, oh, is it because the message is undefined? Hello. No, it's not because the message is undefined. Message is hello. Let's see here. So, at first, the result was, so the first thing I got was the x value. Then I got the y value. Then I got the color. Then I got the message. And that was it. So, um, default. I wonder what default is. I'm confused. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I guess I had a mutation problem. I did not realize. That was silly of me. Okay, now let's try this again. One submission that says hello. Another no submission, no submission. Cool. But this is really bad because it's dangerously setting the HTML page. How do I clean people's user input? Oh, I know what to do. No, I don't. Because it's at the top here. Dino clean user input for HTML. Yeah, how do you do that? Sanitize user input or escape HTML, whatever. HTML entity escape. Is this what I want? Yeah, I guess this is what I want. I'll just export that real quick from my dependencies. Yeah, export escape HTML, and then over here, this is going to be escape HTML. Okay. Don't need to console log this anymore. And yeah, so escape HTML, right? Message. That's the message, and then there's a small for the date of the timestamp. See if this does what I want it to do. So white. White doesn't do anything, right? Hello world. Interesting. Okay. So that works, I guess. I should probably put a break right here, a line break, like so. Yeah. Red. Hello world. This is the best day ever. I can sanitize it, I guess, by just doing like message dot to lowercase dot replace the plus sign with faces. Cool. Do I have any other console logs anywhere? Yeah, I have that one. Then I log all messages. console. My latest submission. Right? Cool. All right. Well, there's that. Maybe I should look up um Dino profanity filter. Yeah. Is there a good profanity filter? Oh no. No, dude, Dino. I guess Dino doesn't have it. Whatever. Okay. Okay. Well, I guess we can get this posted. Looks good to me. Um, my, yeah, I should go up here to the thing and go like H1, um, Reddit, place, clone, um, click a, click the canvas to add, um, I guess I shouldn't, oh yeah, I like the message feature. I'll keep the message feature. But after the image, I need to break. Type a message and click the screen, the canvas to add your own cat. Okay, and text, placeholder, message. Okay, Reddit place clone. Type a message and click the canvas to add your own plot. Okay. Well, label, color, label, and then label message, close the label tag, yeah. And then I can just do the type of message and remove see the code. Well, let's see here. So it's going to be a link, href is equal to the GitHub link. So it's going to be, I'll just type out the link, github.com/Ethan one /Reddit. Wait, okay. And I'll just paste that to get the full link, like so. And I also wanted to make it so that it doesn't include, like, hold on. Like, if you add a message, or like you can still make dots without adding a message, but I don't want you to add. If placement dot message is not equal to, if it is equal, or if it's no, if it is not equal to that, then I can make my submission. What's wrong? Oh yeah, there's a dot here, and then I can do this, and okay, I got that fixed, and now now let's go to my terminal, refresh this, or reload my app. Let's open it. Type a message to add your own plot. Ethan was here. Instead of list elements, I'll just do divs because that makes more sense to me. Like I'll have one div there, one div here, and keep them coming. Okay. Let's test that, and then if everything works the way I want it to work, then we'll be good to go. So let's go. Okay. So this link will take me where I want to go. Type a message and click so here, no need. Underneath image, BR. Looking good to me. Put a star emoji. Or, well, I love glitter. Glitter emoji is one of my favorite ones. Okay. Cool. And honestly, let's just try to deploy it now. I'll go over here and I'll say init, because this is my initial commit technically. Let's push it. And I'm gonna go to Heroku, deploy, and I will click deploy branch right now. And now I can view the log. Okay, hopefully this works. I have no idea if this is gonna work. No idea. I'm scared. We'll see. Well, let's look at this. I'm confused. What the heck? Hmm? What the heck? There we go. No web process running. Oh. Oh, I know what to do now. New file, proc file, web. I have to do, okay. And now to spin up the production server, just run the following command after installing Dino. And it's gonna be Dino run allow net allow run allow read serve.tx. Well, who cares? I guess it's still dev. Whatever. I'll just run this one, I guess, in the proc file. Okay. Create proc file. Push. Okay. There was no web processes running, so that's why. Okay, deploy. Deploy branch. View the logs. Build started. Build succeeded. Alright, hopefully nothing bad happens. Okay, it's checking. Oof, I'm scared. I'm really crossing my fingers right now for this one. It's trying to bundle my mod. No such file or directory. Oh yes, yeah, okay, I know what happened. It's because the assets folder, that's why. Okay, okay. Not a big deal because I'm pretty sure I know what the problem is. The problem is that it's saying what am I saying? Yeah, no such file or directory. I believe that they are referring to the assets. So I'll just delete the assets, put it in the client, right? Let's just put it in the client. Client mod.bundle.js, that makes sense, right? No need to make another file for it, folder. Now when I go to serve, no assets, it's just client, right? No need for assets directory. Pushing, 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 pushing. Wait for it to finish pushing. Gonna go down and deploy the branch one more time, hopefully. Looking good so far. Hopefully nothing stops us in our tracks. Build succeeded. That's what we're starting with, alright. Alright, patience is key. Maybe I should go get a glass of water, but I'm afraid that it's gonna be so lame. If I go get my glass of water and like right as I get up, it finishes with an error. That would be so lame. Okay. Okay, it made, oh! Okay. Where am I? Please work, please work. Please work. I want it to work so bad. Come on. No. What? App crashed. Why did the app crash? What the heck? Web process failed to bind to port. Okay. Okay, well, how do you... fudge. Okay, I know what to do. I need to include allow env um, and in here my port is going to be dino.env.get port for that, right? So now I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, I do. I know what I'm doing. I'm just messing around. Let's use this. Let's use this now up here and see what happens. Type string. Okay. Well, that was in serve, right? So it's gonna be, I see what the problem is. If that exists, then if it exists, then make a number out of it. I am confused. Oh, yeah. There we go. I got perplexed for a second there. I didn't know what that error was doing. Okay. Hopefully this does the trick. Okay. Serve.ts line 111. Client.mod.bundle. Mod.bundle.js, I mean. Oh, oops. Build. Client. Yeah. It's supposed to do it. It didn't show me success. Oh, that's the problem. I see what the problem is now. I see what the problem is. Okay. Try that. Got it. Okay. Perfect. Git ignore instead of assets. I'm now worried about client slash anything dot bundle. Okay. Cleaning up around the edges. Okay, so while that is uploading, I can now go here and deploy in a moment. And so I'm going to deploy the branch and watch the logs as it happens and eat some sunflower seeds. Awesome. Starting the process. Oh, it's up. Oh shoot, it is up. Awesome. White. Oh my god, it's not that slow. Hello world. Let's see. Let's do green, because green's my favorite color. Awesome. There's one thing that I don't like. Um, right here. Um, yeah, that, and then I want width to be min content. Okay. Now I can deploy again. Heroku status dash. Shields. Heroku. There's no Heroku badge on there. There's that, and now on here I can do this. App is going to be, this is going to be Heroku badge, and then this is going to be Heroku app. Heroku badge is going to be Reddit place clone. Denon install is not necessarily necessary anymore. Um, okay. Okay. That was pretty much it, right? Like everything works the way I want it to work. So let's go update the README. Go to my go to here. Here's a problem. Typo there. How is that? Control P, Markdown, Preview. I guess I'll just have the Heroku. Oh, I know what the problem is. Silly me. Heroku app. It's because I didn't even have it there. Silly me. Copy link address. Move that into there. Okay. Okay, perfect. Interesting. Is that the only? Okay. I guess that's the only thing. That's okay. It took about 3 hours. Could have done that way faster if I was in the zone more, but I just plain was not in the zone. So yeah. So here's the final result. I'm considering this right here, the final result, okay? So we've got Reddit place clone about. Welcome to this episode of Codecast. This project is a Dino experiment. So I should probably write some more in the about section about what the actual project is. Deployed on Heroku, you click on it. Here it is. Message, color, links back to the GitHub. So let's leave a message. Happy 2021. Screen. Happy 2021. Cool. Alright. That's pretty much it. Alright. Let's go to my notes. Yeah, deploy to Heroku. Got it. Done. Cool. Intro 2021. Yes. So in the news, 2021 is actually the Pokemon company's 25th anniversary since Pokemon Red and Blue have come out. I was not born when that happened, but it is still a meaningful occasion because a lot of new games or things will happen or occur in the world of Pokemon this year in 2020, so I'm excited for that. Also, I go to Cal State Fullerton University for college, I mean. So Cal State University Fullerton, CSUF. I am a officer of the largest club on campus at CSUF, which is ACM. ACM is basically the computer science club of the campus, and I am this semester, last semester I was the competition manager, and this semester I am the webmaster, which means that I created the official CSUFACM.com website, the official website for CSUFACM, and I maintain it with the updated info, which is a cool project for me because I've always wanted to be a webmaster because I thought the title was a cool name, so I'm I'm excited about that. And there's other activities that are going on in the club that are keeping me busy, so there's that to look forward to. Um, I was actually thinking of, so now that this Reddit place clone is done in Dino, I'll upload the video right there in a moment. Next up, I'm thinking of doing the Card Wars game simulator. I'm thinking of writing a simulator similar to Pokemon Showdown, how you can do Pokemon battles um, online. I'm thinking of doing the same thing for Card Wars from Adventure Time. I also wanted to try to implement L system code in different languages just to benchmark and see which language gives me the fastest WASM code. Video game specification idea and implementation. So I've been having this idea that all video games should have um, specific specifications that are shared between all games, such as checkpoints or something like that. Like in a game, a certain action within the game is marked as a checkpoint and is omitted somehow, um, so that there can be proper speed running checkpoint stuff and built-in what's it called, splits for speedrunning. I think that would be really interesting to have that. It could also be used for analytics for your game. Like in Mario Odyssey or something, it tells you how many times you've jumped in the entire game. Like, it just records that for some reason. Or in Pokemon Go, how many Magikarps you've caught. Stuff like that. We can make that a specification and have that listed somewhere for every game. I think that would be cool. And then branching off from that main project, we can have specifications for all sorts of games, like our own library. That's the goal with that. And then Neo Part 2. So I started working on a project called Neo 1 episode ago, and I didn't get to finishing it because it turned out to be a bigger project than I had anticipated. I've been working on it a little bit behind the scenes, but I've not made much progress. But I am planning on working on this in the future, someday. Maybe not anytime soon because honestly the project is not useful to me at this time. But I've always wanted to do a project like this, so I will do it someday in the future, but I do not know when I will complete it. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this episode 3 of Ethan That One Kid's Codecast. So yeah, um, let's push my Codecast changes. I have completed episode 3. Alright, pushing. And